My husband and I love entertaining, so we always need an extra little table on the side. So when I came across this plastic folding table, I knew that it would be perfect. This is 34.25 in length and width, and it is 29.5 inches in height. So this is nice and plastic, of course, like, you know, waterproof, all of the things, and then really easy to carry, and it can hold up to 220 pounds. And then on the back here, you've got these really nice sturdy metal legs. I do love the way that they kind of fold down so that you have this bar here that's keeping the legs in place, as well as the little, there's a clip underneath here so that they're not going to pop out right here. You can see it there. They're not going to pop out while you're carrying the table. Really easy to pull up. So you just do one side at a time. You just kind of grab this, and then on the side, you're going to go ahead and pop that into place on both sides. Super easy. And then you do the same thing on this one here. We just kind of pop that up, and then of course you've got your nice sturdy table. And then of course to take it down, you're just going to kind of smack that, and then you can see they start to fold, and then you bend it down. Another thing I do love about this table is on the bottom here, you've got the little plastic on top of the leg so that it's not going to scratch your floor, which of course is super important. And then right now, as you can see, I just kind of have it put on the side so you can see what it looks like. Doesn't take up a lot of space, and just really great to just tuck away when you're not using it.